Hey y'all, it's Carmen with Real Life, Real Life, and I am here with another entry, and I believe this would be entry 54. Um, it just arrived today, and she knew that she was running behind, but she had messaged me or made a comment and said that she knew it, but she still wanted to support my channel anyway, and I think that is so super sweet and kind. And although you did not have to, I appreciate it, and it blesses me and touches me so much. I know there's just so many out there, and I'm going to say a little bit of something about the end because I need y'all to be patient with me. But let me share a little bit of what she sent me. She had made me these cute um, rosettes, and this one has like a yellow gold fall colors, and it's got the leaves on top. It says Autumn Glory, and then she's taken some tulle and lined the little circle punch out, so it's got this sheen to it that is so cute and so pretty. Oh, and then it says handmade by Tanya from AZ. This is from, is Miss Tanya from AZ. And this one has like a beigey kind of white with white polka dot, and then she had taken some tulle and did like a little fan here, and it says at the patch. And she's got this little wooden leaf. It looks like a maple leaf back here, and she's got it all glittered up. I love that. That is so cute and so precious. And she made me a card, and then she's got the wooden leaves here as well that are so cute. She's put twine and some green bling right here in the little corner, so shiny and sparkly. And so she's got the background embossed. And then she says, Dear Carmen, autumn blessings. I hope you had a great Thanksgiving. I'm sorry I'm late. I'm a slow crafter, LOL. Thanks for your YouTube channel. Sincerely, Tanya. Tanya from AZ on YouTube. That is so sweet. And honey, thank you so much for just continuing to support me and my channel. It means the world to me. And I'm going to get back into trying. I'm slowly but surely trying to get back to everybody's channels and leave comments and stuff. It's definitely been a long ride with me getting sick in the middle of all this. But she's got this memory decks card that she's obviously used a cute little die punch with this pumpkin paper in the background. And then she's got these green sparkle gems on here, and it says pumpkin time. And then she has layered this like crochet lace up on here and gave it some dimension. She's used some green thread, which is very cute with the pumpkin. It reminds me of the vines. And then it's got a fall checklist. I can't, see it all, but it says pumpkin patch, rake leaves, carved pumpkins, apple cider. And it's just super cute. Let me make sure I'm not showing anything. And on the back, she's got a little pocket, and she's got this cute little plaid that says handmade by Tanya from AZ. So let's learn a little bit about Miss Tanya. Let you look at that beautiful memory decks. Her name is Tanya. Her birthday is February the 9th. You share the same exact birthday as my youngest daughter, Lily. Hers is February 9th also. Now, she was born 6 weeks early. She was not due until March, but she was definitely an early baby. And so her birthday is February 9th as well. So y'all share that. That's so sweet. And then her YouTube channel is Tanya from AZ. Her IG is Tanya_colors. Her favorite color is blue. Mine too. Her favorite style is everything, so like me. And her favorite store is Tuesday Morning Hobby Lobby. And her $5 favorite item is bling. And definitely cannot blame you there. And I love how she's got these little blings in here like that. And her little pocket. Make sure I'm not showing anything to anybody. But I find that's cute. And you could turn, have it facing either way. I think she had it facing forward. Yeah. And so it's just so cute with those little gems up there. But I just wanted to tell you, thank you so much, Tanya. I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. It just means the world to me. And as soon as I get the chance, I'm trying to get packages out of challenges I've committed to. I've got one last one to go out for now, and then I'm going to work on all my thank yous to send out to everyone. And my winners, I've announced that everybody's package that has contacted me should have already contacted me, and I believe everyone has. I will double check. And then all packages will be mailed out no later than Friday or Saturday at the latest of this week. And, you know, I just want to tell y'all, thank y'all so much again for all the great support. And please be understanding with me. This sickness has really taken a toll on my health for some reason. And I'm really, really struggling getting back with energy and moving. I'm going to have to slow down on entering challenges. I have committed to 3. 2 are due. One is due this month, and 2 are due in January. And I don't think the other friend of mine is going to do hers, but if she decides to, of course, I will support her. But I'm not trying, I hope everybody understands, I'm not trying to be rude or anything. It's just I've done so much for so long. I have never even gotten my craft room unpacked since I've been here. And I moved straight in, started crafting, doing entries and all that kind of stuff. Then I did my challenge, and my room is a wreck. I've got to get everything out, and then I've got to clean up and organize. I haven't even been able to finish decorating for Christmas yet in my own personal house. So I just want to tell everybody, it's not that I won't be around. I will be around. And I will be sharing things as I go. I just need to take a break from challenges and entries and happy meals and all that for a little while. And I'm ready to start off fresh in the new year with my room cleaned up, ready for a fresh coat of paint, everything organized so that I can get more organized in my life. Does that make sense? I mean, when you feel like you've got the chaos around, it just seems to go. You know, your life feels like chaos. So I've got to get my life, you know, straightened up, and I'd like to get more on a regular schedule. But with that being said, I'm not going to keep you any longer, and I apologize. I did not mean to, you know, run my mouth up, but I, you know, hey, that's me. Y'all getting to understand that a little bit about me. But I hope y'all are all doing well. I hope all the sickness and stuff is staying out of everybody's families, and that you enjoy your week. And as always, I wish you the absolute best.